Ready now, ball.
Ball back class. So that's the way you want me, ball.
People them say ball, they might throw money for you for ball.
Ball for you know, give me nothing for man. I beg you to class, so me a ball for clean up here.
It looks so nice.
Good, that's it, man.
Your beard.
Your beard, yes.
I'm dry a suitcase. People them say dry a suitcase.
Damn suitcase, sir. What do you want with me?
I'm fix a suitcase good now.
So I'm so suitcase can't tell them everything rough.
But not there like you look clean though.
Never look clean, cause my girl them take care of me a goodies farm. What's up?
Tell the people them say the new suitcase
I
dance.
didn't know one this one. They not tell them some just come from Miami and come and seaside.
So what you bring for them?
What we bring for seaside?
You have to pull a suitcase and the people them see
Nah,
there.
pull no suitcase.
Too fast, man. I want to see that.
I want some suitcase, sir. Lord, you're cold though, you know.
No man, you can't look so.
What you do with your money? You spend the money for yourself.
No, my mind man, my mind man.
Your mind man, say work, make you not mind me.
You? Your hood too big, it can cripple me.
Cripple your power, you can't take time, take it, man.
I like your tongue though.
I like my tongue?
Yeah, long out your tongue, cause I like tongue, you know.
Me and grandfather here, guys. Yeah, me and the best grandfather ever. You see me, guys. We love me with that, guys. You see grandfather there?
No, man, you kind of business them.
See, grandfather tell me say, he love me enough time. You see me? Okay, you see, answer come out there.
You poor guy, your mother. Because you know, hear a man talk to you.
Of course, he'll see people that must see
Come on,
me.
let me pick me up, come on. You think that me can't, you know, that's why me tell you that me can't, you know, live business. No, because me have a lot of things to be done.
But we love you, grandfather.
But that love can't put on pot on fire, man. You think love can't put pot on fire? Oh, you stay there, talk about love.
Alright, later then, grandfather. I just go lie down back. Lie down, me go lie down.
That boy take all my money last night, man. I tell you. I'm going to make the police and see him.
I got find that fit guy. Yeah.
No, me can't let him.
I'm not talking. Right. Like, play with things we don't know about. Where do I know about?
The dog I take coke on the corner.
You never been told, you know. Never been born. Born in your work. And you paycheck when month is come, want to several time, you know?
Herb, man. I want herb. Coke, you gotta take it up.
No, I'm not enough. You're not enough.
No matter what me I take. Look what him want to take. One girl see and get jealous.
Oh, I'm not fuck, man.
Me know.
Your mother, man, sure.
You what me say? Me never see one man see and get jealous. What happen if one girl see and get jealous?
Me and grandfather here, guys. Yeah, me and the best grandfather ever. You see me, guys. We love me with that, guys. You see grandfather there?
No, man, you kind of business them.
See, grandfather tell me say, he love me enough time. You see me? Okay, you see, answer come out there.
You poor guy, your mother. Because you know, hear a man talk to you.
Of course, he'll see people that must see
Come on,
me.
let me pick me up, come on. You think that me can't, you know, that's why me tell you that me can't, you know, live business. No, because me have a lot of things to be done.
But we love you, grandfather.
But that love can't put on pot on fire, man. You think love can't put pot on fire? Oh, you stay there, talk about love.
Alright, later then, grandfather. I just go lie down back. Lie down, me go lie down.
Yes, God. Say nice dirty so she, you know.
I don't need a job, I believe I job.
So I feel it bed this,
You know see?
Say bed dirty, sir.
You was dirty,
The man bed dirty like a road to for circle.
Me?
Feel it bed, bed dirty, sir. So you know dirty so she, you know.
Who?
I say so, man.
I don't mean this all the time, like mommy.
All the stove she, you know, them turn in a whole stove, you know.
Who?
Yeah, how would do it?
Me say that day like I was like mommy. You know, see him now, we go clean you and say that clean the house there.
Yes, I'm in the house. Don't tell a lie, man. I in the fucking house, boy.
Yeah, man, them man on a bum buckler normal, man. Them man on a normal. Yo, just look for apartment and see what I go on rice. Just look for apartment and see what I go on, dog. Cause them man on a bum buckler normal, yo. Yeah, dog. A pot of rice, them man are dealing in the morning. Yo, just lift up your pot, my hands so I go on my bad, bro. Hold on, man, just lift up your pot of that. That one I can't pump, a 2 pot of that. 2? Eh? What do you mean by it? The man I got work with 2 pot on him to put. Yo, just draw the thing, let me see that. Bumbleclad! Ready for work! Ready for work! Ready for work! Bumbleclad! Rice garden. Where's that? I don't see pot more see again, dog. Just let me see pot again, dog. Big woman thing. I just want to see pot again. Just give me a little view of pot, dog. No, my want to see pot them, 2 pot them. Man, I go like a idiot to Bumbleclad.
Yes, we are currently live on this scene in Silo, in Raheen Lane. Yeah, the man them have turning this thing into a rubbish bin. Look at it. Currently turning it into a rubbish bin. They started to dump garbage in there. No one going to fix it, sir. Yeah, no one going to fix it, so they currently started to dump garbage in there. So it is a complete rubbish bin. Look at that. Look at that. It is a yeah. Look at that. It's a complete rubbish bin right there. Yeah. So since it's definitely a rubbish bin. So yeah. So no one going to fix it. I can promise you that in the next 50 years you will see it same way like that. It's going to turn. It's going to, definitely going to turn a garbage bin. Well, I'm out.
Is it?
There. Bad boy.
What is your pussy?
7 years.
7 years now?
Yes.
You and my partner?
Man, give money back, give money back, take it back,
man.
Look, we're trying hot. Tell me you want from OG Park all one there. We're trying hot.
That one here.
No, I ain't drinking for
Drink, come, look at Jason.
Cheers, sir.
Look at Jason. No drink on there.
Push my face, man. Push my face. Right up.
Not that one here, attack.
Me tell you so. What am I hot no more that cold?
That one there, attack, bad boy. Bad boy, sorry,